Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create an electrical circuit in Automation Studio using virtual trainers. Start from the exercise 2 and modify it in order to vary the motor speed through the potentiometer. First, delete the blue push button connections. Now connect the potentiometer to the VFD. Then, we have to configure the VFD properly. Double-click on it to open the component properties. Go to the bottom, open the inputs properties, analog, and set the voltage scaling ratio to 6. Then open the VFD configuration properties and change the frequency reference source. Now it's time to see the system come to life. To begin the simulation, go to the Simulation tab in the ribbon bar and click on the Normal Simulation button. While simulating, activate the circuit breaker by clicking on it. Then press the green push button to start the motor. Observe the frequency in the VFD display and the motor speed in the motor speed display. Now adjust the potentiometer's resistance by clicking on it and observe the changes in frequency and motor speed. When finished, click on the Stop Simulation button in the Controls section to end the simulation. You just realized a simple circuit using virtual trainers on Automation Studio. For more information about the Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website.